Hi there. Good evening, everybody. In last session, we have seen in EBS volumes how we can able to create a volume, then how to detach the volume and attach the volume in different instance in same availability zone. After that, we have seen how by the concept called snapshot, we can able to create the same volume in different availability zone, and we can able to attach the volume created by snapshot, and we can use the volume which is created initially in one region, and we can able to connect it in different availability zone. Now in this video what we are going to see is, suppose you are creating a volume in one availability zone in one region, say for example Mumbai region, and now you need to some, like, due to some technical default or the natural disaster or something, the entire region, the entire Asia Pacific region is down. What you can do, you cannot able to access your EC2 instance, or you cannot able to access the volume inside the data. So each and every second is very critical. At that time, to avoid downtime, there is a concept by which we can able to detach the volume from one instance, and we can able to attach the volume in another region itself in AWS cloud. How to do that? We will see step by step in this video. Thank you. Shall we proceed? We already know in last class we have created availability zone. Sorry, we have created two EC2 instances, Mumbai 1A and Mumbai 1B, in availability zone 1A and 1B in North Asia, North Pacific region. And we have dismantled the volume from 1A, and we, with the help of snapshot, we have created volume and attached the same volume in 1B region. Now what we are going to do, I will delete this Mumbai 1B region as we don't need that anymore. I'm going to terminate this one. So this is terminated. So I will keep the 1A, Mumbai 1A region. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new EC2 instance in different region. This is Asia Pacific region, you can see. Let's say Europe Frankfurt, okay? I'm creating a new instance, EC2 instance in Europe, okay? Okay. I'm going to launch the instance. How many instances am I going to launch? Just one. This is Europe. Europe. 1A, okay? This is a Windows EC2 instance, so I am selecting AMI file 1A, and just give me a minute. Launch instance. Europe 1A created. Windows. In Windows, what I'm going to select, Windows Server 2022 base. This is the Amazon machine image, and this is a T2 micro instance actually. Yeah, you can see here. And for this region, we have not created any key pair so far. Actually, we have created a key pair, which we have used this for our second class demo. I'm going to use the same key, or else we can create a new key, not an issue. I'll create a new key now. Euro 1A. Okay, key. I'm creating a new key pair. Let's make it fresh, okay? And in network settings, in subnet preference, I am selecting Europe Central 1A. Okay, and let's create a new security wizard, and everything is okay, fine. I'm not going to create any volume here. Instead of creating volume here, I will detach the volume from Mumbai region, and I'm going to connect that volume here in Europe region. Okay, I'm selecting launch instance. I'm clicking view all instance. Yeah, in the first one. Yeah, Europe 1 is created. What I will do, I have already deleted Mumbai 1B. What I will do, because it is going to take like few minutes for the status check, right? Before that, I will do a modification in Mumbai instance, Mumbai 1A instance. Okay. So you can see the Mumbai 1B region is already terminated. In Mumbai 1A region, I'm going to connect the instance. Okay. So, taking the password, copying the password, going to the OTP file, the 1A, connecting, pasting the password, next one. This PC, this is the volume we have created for 1 GB. I'll rename this Mumbai 1A thing, Europe 1 thing. Okay, side. I'm just changing this file so that we can able to see the same file in the Europe region. Okay, yes. Was that Mumbai 1A? Okay, this is Mumbai. Okay, I have saved the file. Was in this file. Okay, as this. Now instead of Asia Pacific, I'm going to the Frankfurt Europe region. In instance, we can see instance is loading. Yeah, now the status check is confirmed. You can see now the availability zone is 1E. We have given the configuration and network settings as 1A Europe Central. Otherwise, the instance will be created in any availability zone inside the Europe. We have particularly mentioned that I want the instance to be launched at 1A. So it is created. Now I'm going to launch the instance. I'm going to the connect. Okay, fine. Let's go to the get password. Sometimes you need to refresh like few of the threads. Will happen. Like will say that you can't able to find the key because you can't be able to find the machine. You need to be a little bit patient because it has happened to me a lot of times when I'm practicing. I'm decrypting the password and copying the password to ORGP connection. Paste the DNS here. I'm selecting connect. Okay. The username is here. If you want, you can type it. Otherwise, you can copy paste. This is like you can directly download the RDP file and you can just paste the password. That is one style. I'm usually doing that. For a change, I'm doing this one. That's it. This is one more way. Pasting the password, selecting connect, the certificate automation. EBS. Now we have created an instance in Europe. So what is the current scenario? We have two EC2 instance. One instance is in Europe. Another instance is in Mumbai. This is Europe Frankfurt, Europe Central 1A region. That is Mumbai 1A region. So we have created two regions. One is two instances in two different regions. One is Asia Pacific, another one is Europe. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use the concept called snapshot, and we are going to dismantle the volume from that region, and we are going to create the same volume here. Okay, let's see how to do it. Okay, just wait for a minute so that I can make the instance visible to all the network here, and we can see the details of the EC2 instance created here in Europe. Yeah, posting everything's ready. I'm just minimizing this. Instead of Europe, I'm going to Mumbai. Okay, this is Mumbai. Okay, if you go to volumes, you can see the Mumbai 1A region 1. Okay, this is the 1 GB volume what we are going to select now. We are going to create, actually we have already created a snapshot. This snapshot is actually created for, you can see in last demo class what we have seen, Mumbai 1A to Mumbai 1B. We have already created this snapshot. We can copy this snapshot. Otherwise, you can create. Otherwise, what I will do, I'll delete this snapshot. It's okay. I'll do it first so that you can understand how it is treated. I'm deleting this snapshot. Okay. There is no snapshot now. I'm going to volume. This is Mumbai 1A volume. 1 GB volume we have created the D drive in Mumbai 1A region. Now I am creating a snapshot. Mumbai, Europe. Okay. This is the description, so that we can able to easily recognize if there is hundreds of snapshot, you can't able to recognize which snapshot is created with which machine and which one to be connected, which one to be the volume should be created. You will be a little bit confused. Now what we are doing, going to snapshot. See, there is one simple thing. If you are creating a snapshot, like simple, if you want to detach a volume and attach the same volume to one more instance, if it is the same availability zone, you can just detach the volume and you can attach the volume to different instance. So like plugging and unplugging a pen drive. That is simple. If it is in different regions, 1A, 1B, what you can do, simply create a snapshot and map that snapshot to the region you want, to the availability zone you want, and then with the help of the snapshot, you can create a volume in that region, that availability zone, and you can access that. Here, what you are going to do, so simple. Instead of creating a snapshot, instead of mapping the snapshot, we have to copy the snapshot and paste it in the region. Okay, this is the snapshot I have created, Mumbai to Europe. I'm selecting the snapshot. In actions, I'm just wait for a few minutes. Okay. Let's see. Created. This is 1.6 GB. No, this is the one. Mumbai to created. Yes. Now copy this snapshot, and in here, this is not availability zone. This is destination region. In which destination region we are going to go? We are going to Europe. Oh, even I got confused a little bit. Please wait. This is EU Central 1A. Okay. What I'm going to do? EU Central 1. Okay, I have selected this. And copying the snapshot to EU Central. Copy the snapshot. Now the snapshot will be copied in the destined region, that is Europe Central 1. If you go here to Europe now, okay, Frankfurt. If you go to the snapshot, see, the snapshot is created here. Before this, there is no snapshot. Now the snapshot is created. Now, by selecting this snapshot, in actions, I'm creating a volume from the snapshot. Create a volume to the snapshot. I'll go with GP2. That's enough. 1 GB. Yes, availability zone is 1A, in which we have created the virtual machine. Easy to create volume. Now the volume is created. If you go here, you can see the volume here. 1 GB volume, which is just now created. I'm selecting this volume and I'm going to attach this volume to my new instance, Europe 1A. Okay. Device name is XVDF. Now I'm attaching this to the device. This is Europe. This is Mumbai 1A. This is Europe Central, right? This is Europe Central. We know that. If you go here now, and if you see the PC, you can see only the C drive. We have attached to the file. We know that we have already made it online and we have initialized in the Mumbai 1A region itself. Just if we make the disk online, we can able to see the drive D here. How we can do that? Simple. As usual, in disk management control, DS diskmgmt.msc. If you go to disk management control, you can see the disk. It is just offline. Just make it online. That's enough. You can see the disk volume here. This is Europe 1A. Okay. This is Europe Central 1A. See, Mumbai 1A to Europe. If you open this, Mumbai 1A to Europe. By this, you can able to access the data from one region's availability zone to different region. You can just transfer the entire volume across the globe as per your convenience. This is one of the advantages of AWS. It is scalable and it is accessible, and you don't have 99.99% your data will be available. There will be 100% uptime in practice. So this is the advantage. By copying the snapshot to the particular designation region, you can able to create a volume through the help of the snapshot, and we can attach the volume to any instance you want. And this is called creating snapshot and copying snapshot with the help of snapshot, creating a volume for different regions as well as the availability zones. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you next time in one next video. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.